In October 2023, Hamas launched a coordinated land, sea, and air assault that took Israel by surprise. Within hours, hundreds of Israelis were reported killed or missing, the deadliest day for Israel in decades, and more than 100 were taken hostage. The Israeli military said dozens of its fighter jets struck more than 200 targets overnight in a neighborhood of Gaza City. On Israel's northern border, a salvo of rockets was fired from southern Lebanon towards Israel, prompting Israeli shelling in return. More shells launched from Syrian territory landed in open areas in Israel, prompting Israel to return fire, the military said, further raising fears that the violence could lead to a wider war. Lebanese armed group Hezbollah said it fired missiles against an Israeli military position earlier in the morning in response to the killing of 3 of its fighters. U.S. President Joe Biden called the attacks by Hamas an act of sheer evil and added that at least 14 Americans were killed.